Yeah, that's right. Sorry. Okay. Negative 12. It did not change the sign because I didn't flip the equation. It was negative. I keep it negative. Now I'm going to add these together. Sorry. Okay. And see what cancels on the left side. Do you see anything that'll cancel? Yes, I have two Cl2s here and two Cl2s on the right side. Those cancel. And that's really all that cancels. You can't cancel a part of a compound, just leave it. So now I'm going to add up my reactants. I have SiCl4 plus 2 Mgs make Si plus 2 MgCl2. Does that look like my desired reaction? 2Mg plus SiCl4. Well, I have it flipped, but that's okay. I still have 2 Mgs plus SiCl4 on the left. On the right side, I have Si plus 2 MgCl2. That's great. That looks like my desired reaction. So now I just add up the delta H's, and the answer is negative 596.19. Adding, so I'm going to round it off to the tenths place because my least accurate digit went to the tenths place. So the final answer is negative 596.2 kilojoules. So, and yes, if you figure out some kind of shortcut where you are just manipulating the delta H's, that's not good enough for me. I want you to show your original equations in delta H's. Tell me what you did to them. Show me your adjusted equations, and then add up your delta H's. For the last one, you will have 3 formation equations, and that's okay. If you look at this last example I gave you, and first step, circle all of your compounds. That's a compound, that's a compound, that's a compound. I have to write 3 formation equations. So let me do that real quickly. You can speed through this, and you really should be doing this on your own and using me for guidance. I'm going to shut up and just start writing. But write the formation equation for each. I'm looking up the delta H. Look, how do I need to adjust these? H2S. Okay, in my desired reaction, H2S is on the left side and has a 2 in front of it. So this one, I have to do 2 things to it. Can you guess what they are? Yes, you have to flip it and times it by 2 because it's on the left side. The way I've written it, it's on the right. So I need to flip it to put it on the left, and it has a 2 in front of it. So I go flip times 2. And it looks like this. Everything in here is times 2, and I'm simultaneously flipping this. So I get 2 H2S makes 2 H2s plus 2 sulfurs. And my delta H for that reaction is now positive 41.0. I flipped it, so I changed the sign, and I double it because I times everything by 2. This SO2, the way I've written it, it's on the right side of the arrow. I want it on the right side of the arrow. I just need to put a 2 in front of it. So that one I'm going to multiply by 2. So I'm going to end up with 2 multiply everything by 2. 2 sulfurs plus 2 oxygens makes 2 SO2s. And that is negative 593.6. And again, keep it negative because I didn't flip it, so I keep the sign. And the other last one, what do I need? By the way, that was liquid water on the last one. So when you look up the delta H, you get to the table, there's two waters. There's gas and liquid. I used the one for liquid. That's important. For this one, it's on the right. I wrote it on the right. I just have to multiply everything by 2. So this is going to give me on the right side 2 hydrogens. Now 2 times a half of an O2 is just O2. Makes 2 H2Os. And the delta H, when I times that by 2, it's negative 571.6. Okay. Now I'm going to add them together, and please show me how things cancel. I've got H2S on the left. There's no H2S's on the right. 2 sulfurs on the left. 2 sulfurs on the right. Those cancel. Cross them out. Show me how they cross out when you're submitting your work. I got 2 H2s on the left here and 2 H2s on the right there. Those cancel. O2, O2, and I got O2, O2s, but they're both on the same side of the equation, so those will add together. So nothing else will cancel. Now I'm going to add what's left. I have 2 H2S's plus 2 O2s plus a full O2 is 3 O2s, and it makes 2 SO2s plus 2 H2Os. Does that look like my desired reaction? Yes. So everything's good. Now I just add up the delta H's, and the answer is negative 1124.2 kilojoules. Okay, so you should have done these examples with me, and your homework is the worksheet that's attached. These 4 Hess Law problems. If you get stuck, go back to your steps. I'll be in office hours tomorrow if you need help at 10:30, from 10:30 to 11:30. And okay, that's your assignment for Hess's Law. We're not going to spend a ton of time on this. So this is the one big Hess Law assignment that I'm assigning. And get to work. Enjoy. See you later.